Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. And this video, I'm going to discuss about the stock for tomorrow. So we will, based on the candlesticks pattern, we find out some stocks for positional trading and what happened in this stock. Let me discuss about the stock. Bank Nifty doesn't give you any opportunity today. Started by opening gap up. Yesterday we discussed about whether market is going to reverse by breaking the low or it may be continue the trend. That is what our yesterday's discussion on that. Bank Nifty but doesn't give you any opportunity. It is started by gap up. So as we don't get any opportunity, but if anyone who bought that, so maybe a good opportunity. It may continue the trend by end of the day, that is yesterday. It forms a doji or a hammer doji at the top. So there is a two sides, the continuation as well as the reversal. But I am expecting the reversal only, but it happened the continuation. That's it. The continuation, but it doesn't give you entry. 38,400 is what our expected level to buy once it is crossed above. But today market is started by 38,700. But after 38,700, that is what forms a 38,700. Just a second, please. So 38,700 it started by today and went up to 38,900, 200 points movement, and finally it closed by 38,879. But unfortunately we didn't get a trade opportunities on that particular Bank Nifty because it is already triggered out. So not triggered, there is no opportunity where we are waiting for the 38,400, but that things is based on gap up. So we missed the opportunity. But even if you are taken a Bank Nifty entry and until the day it is a very flat, right? So 38,700 to 38,900 level, it's a very flat day but not moving big. But even if you are by starting itself, anyone who bought around 38,700, maybe it gives you 200 point from profit. But as per our candlesticks pattern, so it doesn't give you any entry opportunity. The Bank Nifty doesn't give you any entry opportunity that we are waiting for on a trade. So we didn't get any opportunities on that Bank Nifty. And the second stock, I think we did discuss about Dr. Reddy, na? Dr. Reddy also yesterday forms, we marked the level around it's already in trend, it's a reversal trend, and it forms a doji here. Maybe we are expecting reversal as well as continuation because it already triggers the continuation mode. We have to, anyone who bought here, we can trial your stop loss at this point and we can continue the trend if it is going up. So this was giving you not big entry triggers, but not giving you target 64 to 78, but closed by 58. So not a big move on Dr. Reddy today. And I think in another stock we seen one that was performed very well, ABFRL, that we discussed about early yesterday, forms a shooting star. It's shooting star, the continues the trend again. It's uptrend, clear uptrend, and again it jumps over here today from that entry point with the stop loss below. We are expecting down as well as up because this candle will give you both the size trend confirmation, maybe the trend continuation or trend reversal. So that time, this time the trend continuation may happen in this particular 283.8 and went up to 292.6, and almost 9 rupees it went up today. So that is another trade which is good today, as we selected stocks by yesterday. These are the stocks are performed well and good, and that generate you the great profit in the based on the stock selection by candlesticks pattern. I hope you understand what I'm discussing here, and thanks for being with me. If you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe And let me check it out, those stocks for tomorrow. We will go for checking. And also we have seen Coromandel. One of the stocks is Coromandel, and someone who discussing about Coromandel. And this day it triggers not shooting star. We are expecting by opening itself it triggered and then it went up. So still it is continues this trend of 1043 and went up to 1090, almost 50 points. I already told you this is not an intraday stock, this is a positional stock. And let's go to check for a stocks for tomorrow by using our scanners and screeners. Let me try it out. Single candlesticks pattern. I think may not be only one stock that forms a doji at top. That is what Shriram Transport Finance. Let's go to check it out. Shriram Transport Finance SRT. I think few months back I seen this stock having some pattern, that is 3-bar reversal. Here I find out the 3-bar reversal. So that is what a great opportunity from almost 1280. It went up to 1480, and based on that candlesticks pattern. Last time I seen this is the candle where it is forms such a great opportunity. Almost 200 points zooms over after forming a 3-bar reversal on daily basis. So 3-bar reversal, that is another important candlesticks pattern. It is not about the single candle. We are combining 3 days candle or 3 days sentiment. We are discussing about a 3-bar candle that was worked well. And finally the stock forms a doji today. And let's say it looks like a middle of the trend. Zooms here, high and low here. It is happening in the middle. So both the sides we can expecting the trend can move. So, but the stop loss for the trade, how much is the stop loss we are requiring this trade? 1425, 1395, 91. So almost 10, 25, 36 point is the risk for the trade. So the entry point and exit point, let me calculate 425, 391. The upper level is 421 and sorry 425, and the lower level is 1391. If the stock breaks below this level tomorrow, we can expect for a sell opportunity this high as a stop. If it is breaks above the level, we can go for a buy opportunity, this low as a stop loss, this as a stop loss. So near about 34 point is the risk in this particular stock. It is the middle of the trend. After the continuous trend confirmed here, and it moves, zooms here, and again it fallen down, there is an opportunity where we can find out the doji which forms at but highest level of the monthly basis on contract basis, not about the trend swing basis. It is based on the monthly high. So this August contract was started here. Here maybe the August contract was started. This is what a low and this is what a high. Still the August month contract which is forms the highest level doji. So by the scanner we mentioned the doji at the top by the contract itself. That is a contract of August. So that is what forming highest level, and which is the stock which we selected only one. That may be a good for tomorrow's trading. You can focus for this stock for a tomorrow's trading, and we'll find out is there any other stock. No. Let me go for a double candlesticks pattern. If is there any opportunity which present on double candlesticks reversal, there is single pink white inside out SBI and goodbye. Yeah, look at the stocks. Bullish Arami, Bajaj Finance and 𝗏𝗏𝗀. That's an important candle. 𝗏𝗏𝗀 and Bajaj Finance. But it is a bullish Arami, big stop loss for the trade. And let's say yesterday looks like this. Super. After consecutive 4 days there is a bullish candle. But this is what a Harami candle. If you are checking the bullish Harami, it took a higher risk reward ratio 354, 329, almost 20, 34, 24, 25 point is the risk for the trade. But the entry, we are not going to take the entry by this high, this low. So that is not a thing. So once this breaks here, after sometimes later or any point of the time, so this is what our buy entry, and we keep the stop loss of the lowest level of this black candle. So black candle is the entry point and the low is the stop loss. So we are expecting bullish Harami. So we are expecting the buy signal on this basis. And the second one is Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance. Okay, it forms at the top, but it is a bullish Harami. May it continues. It is already moves huge enough, right? It is a moving very big gun, and this time it forms a doji. Sorry, Harami, bullish Harami. This is a bullish signal. So the risk for the trade is 7,369. This black day high, and low is 7,105. 205, 305, 250 point is the stop loss where we can plan the trade once it is broken 7,370, and the stop for the trade is 7,105. That is what the entry and exit level for Bajaj Finance, which forms bullish Harami at the toppest level. May the chances to continue the trend, or it may reverse, but I am just focusing the signal for a bullish entry only, not for a bearish. This is only for a bullish, because this candlesticks pattern is nothing about bullish engulfing, sorry, bullish Harami. And let's see, this is what a bullish engulfing. Another doji, hammer. Let's look at how it works. Here inside out up. So inside candle, inside bar. So if you read that, so you can get an opportunity from the market. I hope this may be a useful video. And tomorrow's we have 3 stocks, but this is a Bajaj Finance and 𝗏𝗏𝗀 is a purely a positional, not for an intraday. We can go for that stock that is called what we discussed earlier, based on single Shriram Transport Fund. That is for intraday, and positional you can make use for it doji at bottom. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe it, and if you like it, like this video and share to your friends. If you are not yet joined my Telegram channel, you can join my Telegram channel, the link where I provided in the description. If you want to contact me, you can contact the number provided here in the description of my WhatsApp and Telegram number. Thank you for watching this. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you so much.